What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to transfer Electroneum or ETN from KuCoin to a Keystone Pro 3 cold wallet. Now transferring ETN from KuCoin to your Keystone Pro 3 cold wallet is a secure process that requires following each step carefully. The first thing you'll need to do is to prepare your Keystone Pro 3 cold wallet. So go ahead and pair your wallet by connecting your Keystone Pro 3 to its companion mobile app or a compatible software wallet. This could be MetaMask paired with Keystone. Then next, select ETN. Now in the software wallet, select ETN since ETN is EVM compatible. You'll likely be using an Ethereum compatible address. Also, you'll need to verify your address. The software wallet will display your ETN receiving address. You'll need to crucially confirm this address visually on your physical Keystone Pro 3 device for security. Step 2. Withdraw from KuCoin. So go ahead and log into your KuCoin account, and when you're in, navigate to Assets. Then at the top, switch to the Funding tab. Then select Withdraw on the page. After that, choose ETN from the list or search for it. Then enter the details, such as the wallet address which you copied from your Keystone software wallet. And of course, you need to double check for accuracy. Then select the right network, which will be Electroneum or an EVM compatible network as displayed on your device. Then next, you'll need to enter the amount of ETN to withdraw. After this is done, you'll need to confirm and verify. Go ahead and review all the details, then complete KuCoin security verifications, such as trading passwords, two-factor authentication, or any other security measures you've set up. Then initiate the withdrawal. After this is done, all you need to do is to sit back and monitor your transaction. Go ahead in your KuCoin history and track the withdrawal status on your KuCoin. Along with this, you can go ahead to a blockchain explorer and use an Electroneum blockchain explorer to verify the transactions process by using your Keystone address. And then lastly, your Keystone balance should reflect the new amount. Your ETN should appear in your Keystone's paired software wallet once confirmed on the blockchain. Now here are a few reminders. If you're transferring a large amount, it's important to test first. So go ahead and start by sending a small test transaction initially. When it comes to fees, be aware of network or gas fees deducted from your withdrawal. Ensure your Keystone seed phrase is backed up offline and never shared. So these are the steps to follow in order to transfer ETN from KuCoin to a Keystone Pro 3 cold wallet.